Hi, I'm Connie from Free Motion by the River, and today I am going to open another of the Quilted Cow boxes. This is my second one. Last month I did the snowman wall hanging with everything that was in the box, so you want to make sure you take a look at that video. And here's the box, and let's open it and see what's inside. The Quilted Cow October Wicked Cool Quilters and Sewist Moo Mail. There's that. It says included is the fabric kit for this or that project, thread, quilty calendar, patterns for both projects, a wool mat comb with pouch, and seam wand. That's everything that's in here. Here's patterns. It's a very easy one, just using half square triangles. And then we have this is called Ollie Tote. So that is to make a tote bag. I will probably do that. There's a Quilty Calendar. It's a nice size. I like the size of it. See inside. And each month they show a quilt or show a wall hanging or something, but I don't believe there's any directions for them. Oh, and then in the back, there's a couple pages of grids. And then it has some quick references for pre-cuts, quilting sizes, and backings. Those are always handy to have. There's an Aurifil thread, 50 weight, I believe. It's 50 weight, like a cream color. This is a wool mat cleaner. I use wool mats all the time, and I didn't even know that there was a mat cleaner. No, it really doesn't say anything about it. Huh. I could open that. So it's like a little comb. Feels kind of sharp. I'll just see about that. They also sent a wool pressing mat. And if you've never used one, these are great. I've got a great big table covered with a wool pressing mat. And this is a magic seam wand. So what this does, it's by June Taylor, and you can use it to press your seams down. Get it open. Looks like that. We'll press your seams down. Magic seam wand. And then there's the fabric for the kit. Not sure how much fabric there is. That is a cute fabric. Be kind and humble, bloom with grace, wild like a flower, warm like the sun. Always look on the bright side of life. That's cute with all the sunflowers. And but that's a half a yard. There's a half a yard of that. Yellow. Yellow backing with white prints. And there's a third of a yard of this. And these are by Riley Blake. That's another one. That's a half of a yard. And then you have the white. And that's about 2/3 of a yard. So that's the fabrics. They're pretty. I like them. So that's all the fabrics that were included. The wool pressing mat, the wool comb, the magic seam wand for pressing your seams flat, thread, Aurifil thread, the little calendar. I've also got calendars on my website that you can download. And then the pattern for the tote and the pattern for a table topper. That was what was inside of the Quilty Cow subscription box for this month. Hope you enjoyed seeing what was in here, and I hope you'll subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.